Passion players.
What's up, y'all? If you're new, the B is for Brooke, and welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this look. This is a look to me, okay? Especially with the lashes and the lips. So if you want to see how I created this, we can do a little chit chat. I'm going to be talking about life updates, goals, etc. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. The first thing that I did is I already did my brows per usual. I have an in-depth brow tutorial on my channel. If you want to see me do my brows, well, I really just want to like talk and do my makeup. It seems like I get more feedback from the videos where I'm speaking. I'm gonna go in with the Ulta Beauty matte eye primer. Okay, so my hair, y'all, let's talk about it because I feel like it's an important statement, okay, in this look. So my hair, I just like flipped it out and I like slicked my sides down. It's not gonna last. My hair like knows when I'm about to go outside. It like already starts frizzing up when it feels me walking down the stairs towards the front door. I want to talk about like updates and stuff that's going on right now. A lot of you know that I am new to YouTube. I just feel like I have the most supportive friends and family. My parents support me and my friends are like, it feels really good when you have people around you who take what you're doing seriously and they support what you're doing and they want you to do it. It makes a difference on your productivity. It really does influence your work ethic when you feel appreciated and supported by the people around you. Like, shout out to my friends and family for being so supportive and gassing me, because honestly I don't have anything right now. I have like 40 subscribers, but I do have like 10 new subscribers within like the last couple of days, so that's giving me a little bit of motivation as well. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. So I want to go for like a nude look with like a red lip. I might do like a nude cut crease. Talk about motivation and how to like get past your fears and like, I don't know, conquer the things that you want to do. That was one of my biggest problems. Was like, I was just like always worried about what people would have to say about what I want to do, or just me being vulnerable enough to put myself out there so that people can judge me and have an opinion about me, even people who don't know me. Just started to understand that people are going to have an opinion about you whether you do something or whether you don't. Just do whatever you want to do and make the decisions that you want to make for yourself, because they're going to talk either way. Do what makes you happy, because people are going to talk about you either way, basically. My friend Kendra, she's the founder of a nonprofit which basically creates a safe place for young Black women who are looking to be entrepreneurs, already are entrepreneurs, or like are looking to start a business. And she creates a safe place so that you can connect with other people and you can be also connected with all your necessary resources to have a successful business. Really highly encourage everyone who is looking for that as a goal, or have any goals that you would like to discuss, or even ideas that haven't even been set in stone yet, to reach out, because girl is what's popping, okay? I'm gonna take this lighter color from my Makeup Revolution palette and just put that above that first color. It's like a soft highlight on the brow bone. To cut our crease. Juvias Place Concealer, because it's like way too light for me, and so I just use it to cut my crease. I think I'm gonna take this shade and go on top of that. I feel like that's a very pretty light cut crease. I'm really feeling that. So I'm going back in with that brown color and I'm just gonna blend that into my cut crease. I'm gonna put on my eyeliner and my lashes and then do my other eye, and then I will be back. All right, y'all, so I have my lashes on and I did basically what I did on camera was I did my lashes and I did my eyeliner. I did like a little wing, like just a little baby wing. I just flips it out a little bit more, you know. But yeah, so now I'm going to prime my face. But so these lashes are from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. They also, when they send you the lashes, they send you a little coupon thing with their email on it, and it says if you like this product to email them, and then they'll send you the order that you purchased, the exact same order for free. So I'm gonna try that and let y'all know if they actually do it, and if they do, it is so worth it because I got 3 lashes for $15 and I'm never gonna stop using these lashes. I really like these lashes. And you know how like you think your lashes are long, like you really think your lashes are long until you start using falsies, and then when you don't use falsies and you try to use mascara, it's like there's nothing there. So I thought I had long eyelashes until I started putting fake ones on, and then it's like, girl, you thought I did not have no lashes, for real. So I don't typically put a lot of foundation on my forehead just because of the fact that my forehead is already naturally darker than the rest of my face, but I just put like a little bit today. All right, and then now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte concealer, put that under my eyes. Do my contour with my Wet n Wild contour stick. Y'all, I don't really contour my nose that much. If some of you have wondered why, it's just because personally I don't see like what it does for me. I see what it does for other people. Lord, I've seen what you've done for other people. Like, I'll just put 2 lines. I don't really focus on my nose too much. What's up, y'all? So this is the final look. I'm really excited about how this came out. I think the lips is what put it all together. I think that it really gave me the look that I was going for, you know. This is like what I mean when I say soft beat. The only reason it's like glam a little bit is because of the lips, but I really like this. I like the like bold lashes and the pop of color in the lips. I think it's really cute. So if you like this look, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more looks like this, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. I noticed that I've been getting a few new subscribers that I don't recognize. So if you are subscribed to my channel and you're new, leave a comment and let me know where you're from. I had fun creating this. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.